This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Google Form ordering. We'll start by creating a new form and adding essential customer information fields. Then, we'll dive into structuring your product listings with options for quantity and pricing. Finally, I'll show you how to customize your form's appearance and share it effectively with your customers. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. To begin, open Google Forms and select a blank form. Give your form a clear title, such as Product Order Form, and add a brief description. Next, include fields for customer details like their full name, email address, and shipping information. You can use short answer questions for these. For product selection, consider using multiple choice or drop-down questions to list your items clearly. Now, let's add your products. For each item, use a multiple choice question to list options, perhaps with prices. To allow customers to specify quantities, add a short answer question for each product and enable response validation to ensure only numbers are entered. You can also use a multiple choice grid for more complex variations, like sizes and colors, making your form highly versatile for many products. Finally, personalize your form's look by choosing a theme and colors that match your brand. Navigate to the Settings tab to configure how responses are collected, such as limiting to one response per person. Once your form is ready, click Send to share it. You can generate a shareable link, send it directly via email, or embed it onto your website. Your order form is now ready to accept orders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.